Hey guys, Mr. Flanders here. Welcome to day 3 of science. And did you know that just like plants, people need water too? It's craziness, I know. You know, water keeps us hydrated, it keeps us healthy, and that's why it's so important to plants too, okay? You know, they can't eat traditional food like we can, they can't drink soda like we can. That's why they rely so much on water. They also rely on sunlight. And let's face facts, people do too. It's very healthy for us. It helps us grow. It helps us have great skin. Well, for plants, it helps them have green leaves, long stems that stand straight up. Except for you, Horatio. But I digress. Anyways, let's go ahead and flip through our packets, or click through Schoology a little bit, see if we can find today's worksheet on plants, and let's talk a little bit more about why water and sunlight are so important for plants. See you in just a second.
Alright, welcome back to science, ladies and gentlemen. 'Tis I, Mr. Flanders. You know this though because you just saw me talking to you. So, with that in mind, let's go ahead and get started on our worksheet. First things first, we need to put our names. Boom, boom, and boom. Mr. Flanders. And then today's date is 9/10/20. That is September 10th, 2020. Okay? Now, yesterday we were talking about plants and how sometimes they turn brown if they don't get what they need. Sometimes they're green though if they are getting what they need. And then Lisa, poor little Lisa, over in her garden bed, she was having some issues with her plants, and she was wondering why some of her plants were turning brown. Well, I think we're back with Lisa again today for this worksheet, and what we're going to do is we're going to read this passage here. And then my friends who are doing this in their packets, we're going to write some stuff in these boxes, and we're going to write on these lines down here. If you are doing this in Schoology, you will be typing in these blue boxes here because you will have blue boxes, and you'll be typing down here as well. All right? So please follow along as we read about plants. The plants on the left side of the garden are brown. Ha! I knew it! I knew it. This is the left side. These are the brown ones. I knew it. The plants on the left side of the garden are brown. The plants on the right side are green. Both sides of the garden get bright sunlight all day long. The plants on the right side get lots of water. The plants on the left side get a little water. Okay, so what the passage just told us is these plants are brown, these plants are green. Both sets of plants get the same amount of sunlight every day. But this side, the right side of the garden bed, these plants get more water. And these plants on the left side only get a little water. Okay? So let's keep that in mind as we're finishing this chart here. Right here we've got plants on the left, and we've got plants on the right. The first thing it wants to know is plant color. So the plants on the left are brown. B-r-o-w-n. Brown. And then the plants on the right, what color are they supposed to be? Green. The amount of sunlight the plants on the left and the right get, well, we're going to say that they get, I guess we'd say a lot, or we could say the same. Hang on, the plants on the right side are green. Both sides of the garden get bright sunlight all day. So we're going to write bright sunlight all day. We're going to copy this into this box. Bright sunlight all day. And it's the same. They're both getting the same amount of sunlight. Okay, it's a lot. It's bright sunlight all day. The amount of water that they're getting, though, this is what's different. This is what's not the same. The plants on the left are brown, and that means they're only getting a little water. So the amount of water is a little bit. And then the plants on the right, the green ones, they get lots. Because that's what it says in the story. The plants on the right side get lots of water. Okay? So go ahead and write those two answers down. The plants on the left get a little bit of water, and then the plants on the right get lots of water. Okay? Okay. Now, while you're finishing that up, remember there's no rush though, so if you need to pause the video to finish writing, that is completely okay. But let's go ahead and finish off this worksheet by looking at this question down here. Should Lisa try giving the plants on the left more water or more sun? Why? Now the plants on the left side, these are the brown ones. See? This is the left side. Now if you remember, they're getting the same amount of sunlight as the plants on the right. What they're not getting the same amount of is the water. So sunlight is fine. It's water that we need to work on. So that's going to be our answer. Should Lisa try giving the plants on the left more water or more sun? The answer is more water. And we're going to say she needs more water. And why? Why does she need more water on this side? Doesn't she want them to be the same color? Doesn't she want them to be healthy, just like these green ones? Yeah. So she needs more water so those plants can be green too. So should Lisa try giving the plants on the left more water or more sun? And why? She needs more water so those plants can be green too. Fantastic work, my friends. Fantastic work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get running. I'm getting a little thirsty myself. I think I need some water again. Remember, it's important for us too, not just plants. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this worksheet, or you're having issues with it in Schoology, please let me know. Otherwise, enjoy the extended weekend again, because we are only doing 3 assignments for each subject this week. So, huzzah! Yay! All right, guys. I'll see you later. Have a good weekend.